This average death rate is more than the average death rate of coronavirus. WHO reported use of alcohol kills more than 30 lakhs people in the world every year. Hey guys, my name is Sunil and welcome back to Neel Mark. Video is made and dedicated to all my friends who are either caught in such intoxication habit or they are in the process to adopt. I know I'm not an expert, but whatever I say is based on completely my experience and little bit of research.
रोजी मेरे ऊपर बैठी है, मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा.
Any such bad habit at its critical stage can affect you 5 ways in your life. This is what exactly I'm going to talk in this video. Number 1, huge waste of money. A survey says that an average smoker spends more than 2 to 3 lakhs in average of 5 to 7 years. The other survey says that a critical addictor of alcohol spends even sometimes more than lakhs in a year. One of the very recent research identified that more than 5% of critical disease is only because of the alcohol. WHO reported that use of alcohol kills more than 30 lakhs people in the world every year. This average death rate is more than the average death rate of coronavirus. The third is it lower down your energy. So I heard people saying that they improve their energy level when they take the sip of cigarette, but they themselves know that they have only created the alternative source of energy, and when they don't find, they feel low in energy. And the fourth is it degrades your value in the society. At least in India, people who are intoxicated with these habits are considered always bad or not treated well. These habits also cause to attract negative people to join your company. Whenever you follow such habits, all the negative and depressed people also become your friends and they also affect you or influence you negatively. We have many examples of very successful people in the world who are just being killed or destroyed their life because of these bad habits. So how to quit these habits is a question. So today I'm also going to share one very logical method to quit any of these habits in our personal life. I'm not saying this formula can give you best result always, but by this formula you at least can find your solutions according to your situations. And the formula is 321. Take one blank paper and in day 1 please note down all the things which are being affected because of these any of your bad habit. Write down all the points which are being affected because of these habits. Maybe the time wasted, maybe the total money you are spending. In day 2, just think, if you quit these all the habits, what all are the benefits you will be able to get. Suppose you will save this much of money, suppose you will save this much of time and lot of other things. So in second day, please note down all those things. On third day, prepare yourself. If required, please talk to your friends, family, if in case girlfriend or wife. Also announce this thing that you are going to quit these habits to at least to your closest friends and families. Take 21 days challenge. These 21 days you will challenge yourself that you will not go back. I would like to recommend to create one more habit, that is meditation. I have seen some people who quit for more than a year or 2, but they start again their habits. One of my personal suggestion is to create the habit of meditation. So this is all for today's video. I hope this will help. Take this as a challenge and plan for quitting those intoxication habits. My purpose is to help you and guide you. That's all for today's video. Until next time, goodbye.